everybody and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am doing some sketching at the Japanese garden in the Botanical Gardens in Stockholm. So that was just a quick show of what it actually looks like in reality, and then I jumped straight into sketching. This is a very rough sketch in my sketchbook. I sat down on the grass and maybe sketched for 20-30 minutes, and as you can see already I'm getting joined by a few insects that decide to crawl across my page. So I just laid down a really quick sketch with a normal I think it was a 2B, it might have been a HB pencil, and then afterwards I was feeling that it was lacking a little bit of colour, so I decided just to give it a very, very rough splash of colour with some watercolours. So over the past few weeks I have been making the effort to actually go out in public and do some sketches in different places. So I've been taking myself off to Stockholm on the train, and a few weeks ago I went up to the aquarium. Today in this video I'm showing you the Botanical Gardens, and then I even dared, very daring for me, I found a sketch group on meetup.com and I went to an art gallery with them in Stockholm and we sat and sketched together, so that was really good. I've definitely found that if you're going to do sketching out in public, it feels, for me anyway, it feels a lot easier to do it outside instead of sitting inside. At the Botanical Gardens there was obviously the gardens outside where it's just very easy to find some grass or a bench and sit and sketch quite inconspicuously really, but there was also the greenhouses with all the exotic plants in them, and I did dare to pull out my sketchbook in there, but I just find that because it's so much more close proximity, it feels kind of awkward, kind of strange that people are looking at you. Not that I'm really that worried about people looking over my shoulder and what they think of my work, because I post it on YouTube, so that doesn't really bother me. I think it's more the fact that it can be a bit of a conversation starter, and as an introvert, having conversations with strangers just like that, really, it can make me panic a little bit, so I don't really like that aspect, that when you've got a sketchbook some people feel the need to come over and talk to you about it, but I find it is pushing me out of my comfort zone, especially getting out my camera as well and filming at the same time. Yeah, what I try to remember often is that most people are actually in their own worlds, worrying about their own things and their own family and who they're out talking to and that kind of stuff. So most people aren't really that bothered with little old me sitting somewhere and sketching. Most people probably won't even remember that they walked past me and saw me, so that's good. And one thing that I do if I really don't want to talk to anybody on a certain day is I just put my headphones in. That's a good way to make people think you're at least listening to something. They're less likely to interrupt. So yeah, anyway, I would love to hear from you guys, and do you dare to go out in public and sketch? Why or why not? Leave me a comment down below, I'd love to know what you think. So yeah, this was just a really quick sketch. It's very unrefined, but leave me a comment, I'd love to know what you think, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!